What is going on, YouTube? Long time no see. I know I'm going to make this intro a little bit quick. Uh, some things have happened. Financial things happened. I lost some family members recently, too, as well. Different states, but it doesn't matter. It's family. That didn't help out with the other situation that happened, too. If you guys remember, I had started off with a couple vending machine locations. I had the first one, which was actually making me the most money, which was going to help me continue to do what I was doing. It was making about $300 or $400 a month. It was getting better, and apparently the company decided to do a complete renovation and decided that they didn't want the vending machines to be there. So I had to take those machines. They're currently still in storage, and I'm paying monthly to keep them there. So not only are they not making me money, they're in storage. So I have them all on all the marketplaces for sale. Uh, not no one's really wanting to buy them, unless they're like one of us who wants to try. So I keep them on there. With the other locations, I had bad luck too. The one that was by Disney, I had to sell that location with the Red Bull machine. You guys remember? The Red Bull machine was actually kind of breaking down, so I let the guy know, like, hey, what I'm really selling here is the location. The Red Bull machine was completely full as well with drinks and everything, so it was still selling, but a couple of the options were not working. So there was like three buttons, one of them was working. I told the guy, he's like, he doesn't care. He wanted to buy a new vending machine for it. I wanted to keep it, but finances were not the most optimal at that moment, so I sold it. And the other location too, I had to get rid of because it was actually doing. It was slumping down. They had this one. This is the one that was at the water treatment facility, which had a set number of employees, but apparently they cut like half the employees off, so it started to do absolutely terrible. That half of the employees was like the only ones that are using those vending machines. So I went from making probably $100 a month to like $17 a month, and that was two vending machines. So I sold the location. I said, "Hey, this look, I sold the machine to location. You guys want to buy it?" Some guy bought it. I told him like, "Hey, I'm not. It's not making $1 million a month. It's not the greatest." He's like, he doesn't care. He wants to start off somewhere. I said, "Thank you," because I needed the money at the moment. Um, but since it's been several months, things have leveled off. Things aren't as terrible. Um, I actually am actually at a location that I just bought. It's a soda machine at a auto collision repair place that's kind of almost 24/7. They're open 24/7, 7 days a week. I say almost because it's like they shut down in the middle of the night for a couple hours and restart early. And it's in the actual building where the employees work, and it's right next to the office where the owners of the vehicles drop by and everything. So it's open to the public pretty much. So I'm actually here. It's like right over there. We'll go take a look. But yeah, that's what's been going on. I haven't quit on the channel, guys. I have not quit on the channel. Trust me. Um, I will be posting as much as I can with entrepreneurial ideas. I love the vending machine stuff, but it's very this area. I guess it's not that great for you other channels out there. You know who you are. You guys are lucky. You guys are lucky, and keep doing what you're doing with all that stuff. I'll be doing what I can with different ideas and everything. That's the whole point, right? So yeah, we're gonna go check out this machine in a bit and see how it's doing. It's been about a month. So also keep in mind it's been like really cold lately here, the past few months in Florida, surprisingly. So as far as drinking a lot of stuff, I don't see that a lot of people haven't bought much, but we're gonna go check it out. Okay, see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. Hope you guys can hear me. This is the actual machine itself. It's kind of windy, so if you can't hear me, I really apologize. But as you can see, auto place. But yeah, this is the machine itself right here. Um, you got your typical choices. This one's actually not activated yet, so I gotta work on that one. But you got your typical drinks: Coke, Diet Coke, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Brisk, Santa Fe, water, and I believe it's Gatorade. Um, this one's very popular. Last time I checked. But yeah, let's check this thing out real quick. Let's open it up. remember correctly, it doesn't take that many turns as other machines that I've had but in the past. Alright. Kind of dusty, wetty. Gotta clean it out. Half the light works on this one, and this one's good. Check the coin. Couple quarters in there, not too bad. And here we go. So this is how it looks right here. That right there, that's the slot doesn't work. I thought I fixed it. I have a bunch of Dr. Peppers in there. It's not working. So I gotta call somebody. And like I said, the Sunkist is really popular. And like I said, it's cold, so no one's really going off of the drinks. Really, they want to go eat more. Unless it's Sunkist, they want some sun. So that's how it looks right now. And let's go check this cash box right here. Like I said, about a month. Cold period. I'm not expecting a lot. If I can see. I'll check this out. There we go. So try to do everything one-handed. Here we go. So not too terrible. Better than nothing, right? Better than finding out $2, right? So yeah, that's I'll leave the change in there because I have no bag for the change. I'll just take the cash. But yeah, that's the machine in there. That's the machine in this location, new location, my one location. All right, guys, I made it back home. I sat here and counted the ones. It turned out to be $57. I mean, it'd be more if I collected the change there, but again, it wasn't that many quarters, and I didn't have a little bag for the quarters, so not too bad. I'm sure when it's like the summer, springtime, all this stuff, like it's really hot, I'm hoping we double, maybe triple that. But it's all good though. I spent about maybe 80 topping off the entire machine. So just pulling out $56, it's not too $57 is not too bad. So again, guys, like I explained at the beginning, I am not quitting anytime soon. What's happened in the past, slow things down, but I'm back here, and I'll be doing my best to be making some financial entrepreneur videos. For those of you that stayed on board in the channel, haven't unsubscribed, thank you. I'm fine. I'm doing well. Everything's leveled out. Hope things will be getting better from here on out. So, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new to the channel and you guys like money, making money, collecting money, looking at money, smelling money, I don't know. Definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.